ladies, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to use dry shampoo. This is something that every girl needs to know how to use because it is a lifesaver, let me tell you. If I had to wash my thick hair every day, I would die, literally. And this is day, let's see, probably day 3, so I'm gonna wash it tonight, but I'm not gonna wash it this morning before work. But you can tell it's a little bit oily. It needs some dry shampoo, and I'm literally almost out of this. I need to go get some more. This is the Redken Peel Proof Blow Dry Primer. It's a 2-day extender, and it's just oil absorbing dry shampoo. I know a lot of people use Batiste, and I have used that, and I feel like it's very strong, but also I've read up on it, and it's like not good for your hair at all. It can basically, which I know most hairsprays can set stuff on fire, but this, like, literally, I saw a video where they sprayed it out and put like a flame, and it was just like, so I don't know if I want that on my scalp, because like hairspray, you are just spraying it on the ends, but dry shampoo, you're spraying it on your scalp. So I try to be a little bit better, getting something better for my hair. Alright, so I'm just going to show y'all how I do this. First, I'm going to brush out my hair. Brush it out. And if I'm not wearing my hair up that day, I won't worry about like my neck or anything. I'll just get the top, the sides, and the crown. It's really tangly this morning. And all my curls just fell out. That's okay. So for this one in particular, you need to shake it up. Get it all ready. And I'm going to be looking at the mirror behind me so I can see exactly what I'm doing. So, I got it all shook up. And now a lot of people think that you need to spray dry shampoo right on your scalp, but that's not where the oil is. You want to spray it on like the first 2 inches of your hair. That's going to give you the most results, not spraying it on your scalp. And you will see that there's some white spots, but that's totally normal. Whenever I'm really blonde, it works out for me. But I'm not that blonde right now. It's gonna look like we have gray hair. That's okay. Right in here, I like to dissect it a little bit more because I feel like this section is always super oily. You'll feel that it's very cold when you put it on your head, and you want to wait for that cold to like die down. You don't want to just go ahead and go straight into rubbing it in. So we'll let that get not cold. And by the way, the makeup I have on today is the new Holmes Physician Formulas palette. Overall, I really like the palette a lot. It comes with a butter bronzer, butter blush, butter highlighter, a lip cream, which I have on now, and then it also has a little perfume, and I'm really excited to try this out, see how it smells and how it lasts all day. It smells really good. But yeah, so I have on the eyes today, and I think it's a really pretty color. I was really shocked that she released this kind of palette in the winter, because to me it has very summery vibes, which I guess she's planning ahead. I don't know, but I got it yesterday and I love it. So alright, so we are not cold anymore, so I'm gonna rub it in, and you literally just want to take your fingers and just rub it in. Rub it in on your crown. And you can tell it gives you a lot of volume too. Yeah, and then now we're going to brush it through. So yeah, that's my quick little tip on how to get the most out of your dry shampoo. If you have any more questions or comments, just leave them below. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you on my next video. Bye!